Start with the base layer. This is the layer that will be revealed after you take off the liquid frisket. I'm painting a bright rainbow here, and then I'm going to use the liquid frisket to make a pretty pattern on top. You'll see how it is going to look in the end. Using QOR masking fluid to achieve my look. This is a fine line liquid dispensing pen. So it has a fine tube tip at the top, and I'm using it to apply the masking fluid on top of my painting. It's very important that the painting you make before you apply the masking liquid is completely dry. So make sure that your painting is completely dry before adding the masking fluid. Using this fine tip tool allows me to have more control over the masking fluid, but you can use a brush or any other kind of tool you want to add the masking fluid to your painting. you're finished making your pattern or whatever you want to draw with the masking fluid, make sure the masking fluid is 100% completely dried before moving on to this next step. After the masking fluid is completely dry, now paint over the whole painting. I'm using a darker color to contrast with the underlayer, and I'll mix it up by maybe like a dark green or a dark purple over those areas that are those colors. You'll see that when the masking fluid is removed, the bright colors will reveal themselves with the dark color surrounding it. Before removing the masking fluid, make sure that the overpainting is completely dry. If not, that paint will smear into the other parts of the painting when you try to remove the masking fluid. As you can see, it's a lot of fun to remove the masking fluid, and it's like magic watching the underpainting reveal itself.